Select the theme you want to edit and click on Customize. Once inside the theme editor, locate the option to Add Section and click on it. From the list of available sections, choose the one titled RI Image with Text 4. The section will be added to your page. Scroll to its Settings panel. Start by adjusting the layout gap. Look for the option labeled Layout Gap and increase or decrease the value according to your desired spacing between elements. Then, switch to Mobile View using the device toggle at the top of the editor. Adjust the mobile-specific layout gap to ensure appropriate spacing on smaller screens. Next, modify the vertical content padding for desktop view. Set values for padding at the top and bottom. For example, 60px at the top and bottom. Switch to Mobile View and reduce the vertical content padding to suit smaller displays. For instance, 40px each. Now change the horizontal content padding. Set values for left and right padding. For example, 40px each for desktop. In Mobile View, you may want to reduce this to 20px or less to allow more content width. Locate the setting for content border thickness and input your desired border width, such as 2px or 4px, depending on the design intent. After this, adjust the sticky content position for desktop view by selecting whether the content should stay at the top, center, or bottom when scrolling. Choose the vertical alignment of the content elements, such as top, middle, or bottom, and then select the horizontal alignment, left, center, or right. Scroll to the heading settings. Add a heading text of your choice. Adjust the heading font size for desktop view, for example, setting it to 36px. Then switch to Mobile View and reduce the heading size accordingly, for instance, 24px. Set the heading alignment for desktop, such as center alignment. Switch to Mobile View and set the heading alignment again if needed, perhaps aligning it to the left for better readability on smaller screens. Find the item settings and adjust the top margin of each item, for example 20px for desktop. In Mobile View, reduce this to 10px. Adjust the space between each item by modifying the spacing setting, for example 30px for desktop and 16px for Mobile View. Locate the setting for item icon width and set it, perhaps 40px for desktop, and then reduce it to 24px in Mobile View. Choose a font family from the typography options, one that fits your brand aesthetic. Once set, click on the first item and upload an image. Then click on the second item and upload another image. Choose an icon for each item if your theme allows mixing icons and images. Click again on the RI Image with Text 4 section and set the media border color. Pick a color that contrasts well with the background. Choose a color for the media item heading and then a text color that complements it. Next, set a background color for the section, either a solid color, gradient, or subtle pattern. Scroll to the section margin settings. Adjust the top and bottom outside margins, for example, 60px each, to create space between this section and others. Modify the padding inside the section at the top and bottom, such as 40px top and 40px bottom. Then adjust the side padding inside the section, for example, 30px on left and right. Modify the content width inside the section if needed, such as 1200px max width. Click on the fourth item and upload an image. Do the same for the fifth item, but also add a heading and text. On the sixth item, upload an image, add a heading, and include some supporting text. Below that, insert a general heading and descriptive text. Choose icons for each item and consider using icons in place of images if desired. Experiment by adding other media types like embedded videos, Lati animations, or interactive SVGs to make the section more engaging. Try different font combinations for headings and body text to enhance hierarchy and readability. Mix and match colors for contrast and energy. Consider using gradient overlays or subtle patterns as section backgrounds to create visual interest. Add extra space between major sections to help guide the viewer's eye. Continuously test the design in desktop, tablet, and mobile preview modes to make sure the content adapts properly across devices. Adjust alignment and structure to maintain a balanced, professional appearance on all screen sizes. Once everything looks polished, save your changes. This completes the customization of the Image with Text 4 section and gives your theme a dynamic, responsive, and professional layout. Telephone receiver need assistance? We're here to help. Got questions or need support? Reach out to us. Mobile phone call or WhatsApp 9035671333. Glow with Meridians, visit our website, click here. We are just a call or a click away.